are pleased to show you the 2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, day and night rear view mirror, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. Come see the car for yourself.